Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Inside NFTs. Yeah, if you've not felt the energy in NFTs, if you don't feel like we're back, I wonder if it's because you're focused on Ethereum. Guys, I'm begging you, I'm asking you, and maybe I'm just straight up telling you, you must be looking at Bitcoin and you have to be looking at Solana. There's been a fundamental change here in NFTs, so I'm really hoping by the end of today's episode, you're ready to branch out. So guys, let's start out by taking a look at the NFT market. We're looking here at the Forkast 500 NFT index. You can see the market is up 0.8%, looking really nice in the green today. And you can see cross-chain NFT sales yesterday came in at 41.9 million, up nicely from Monday. Unique sellers, unique buyers, total transactions, those are all up too. And trade profits, 1.5 million. You can see today, though, smashing that pace. Right now, profits in the positive, 2.6 million. And as far as what's moving these markets, it's the uncategorized ordinals collection. They're at the #1 spot. Nodemonke's in there and making up probably a large portion of that. Frogana's at #2, followed by Polygon's red hot gas heroes. Tokyo from Avalanche at #6. And the rest of the top 10 is all BRC20s. Check this out, guys. Those big native Web3 brands, the big PFPs we all know and love, well, they're lucky to even be hitting $500,000 right now. CryptoPunk's only $250,000 in sales. And even the Bored Ape Yacht Club, just 203,000 in sales in the past 24 hours. Guys, you're going to see a theme across today's show, and it's that traders are moving from Ethereum. And Decrypt just spells it all out for us here. Yesterday, dropping an article that says that NFT sales volume on Solana, it topped Ethereum in the monthly volume for the first time ever last month. Decrypt using CryptoSlam data for this reporting. Appreciate that, guys. But look, you've been hearing that narrative of the Solana PFPs now for probably 2 months, and that story is now in the numbers. Solana NFTs last month, 366 million. That was compared to Ethereum's 353 million. But it's the buyers and the sellers that really stands out. In both of those categories, Solana basically doubling the Ethereum traders. It's a great article, guys. You got to check it out. And that trend of increased buyers and sellers over on Solana, that is not slowing down. In fact, just gaining steam. We talked about that LFG token airdrop here yesterday. Well, so far, and this is as of yesterday, it brought over 50,000 Ethereum users over to Solana. And there's still a Jupiter token airdrop coming on Solana. And I think there's probably much more than that. Now, we're not done talking about Solana. In fact, we're going to be bouncing between blockchains because there's a lot of cross-pollination going on, including from Solana over to the C blockchain. You see here a collaboration between C Rocks and Mad Lads. Looks like Mad Lads are getting some spots to mint those rocks. So C Rocks, expect those to cook. And those lucky Mad Lads, well, some are getting in on that action. And look, it's not just traders getting in on the action on Solana. It's your favorite influencers too. Gordon Goner yesterday buying a Frogana NFT. And look at that green candle after he bought. And Gordon really spreading that love across blockchains. Yeah, he also bought a Nodemonke over on Bitcoin. And look what happens to the prices when he gets in. That's a special collection. And in just 4 days, over 500 Bitcoin in sales volume. Yikes. Ultimately, I think there's no better stat to show what's going on than what NFT Stats points out right here. In the past 3 days, more than 90% of Blur volume is sellers dumping into bids. And what that means is a majority of sales volume is not listed NFTs that buyers are hunting for and clicking buy on. Instead, it's farmers, collectors, traders, whatever you want to call them, just accepting bids. And that can be a signal that people are just looking for liquidity and they're looking to move fast. And then Beanie even pointing out exactly what's going on. And you see it in the chart right here. Ethereum is green, Bitcoin is blue. Guys, I hope it's becoming clear what's happening here. It's not a fad. This is a taste of the future. And some more wild points here. Solana now outpacing every other blockchain for weekly stablecoins transferring into that ecosystem. And now Etherscan has acquired SolScan. Yeah, even the builders can sense where things are heading here. I'll tell you why I'm so confident that this move to other chains is not just a fad. Your favorite NFT projects on Ethereum, well, they're exposing their community to these other blockchains. The Pudgy Penguins announcing that their holders are getting token drops that exist on other blockchains. This Dimension coin, DYM, I believe that's a Solana coin. And then Penguins also getting some Wazi's upcoming Pill token. And that Pill token, by the way, I believe that's the very first token launching over on the Blast platform. Remember, there's over $1.1 billion locked up over in Blast. Now let's finish with an NFTLDR, some bullet points on things I'm looking forward to. First off, today is the 1-year anniversary of Jack Butcher's checks. So he said there's going to be a card to sign. I imagine there's an NFT involved here somewhere. And I think this also means they'll pick the winners of the latest Opepin set. And I'll remind you too, just because of our theme today, Jack Butcher mints over on Base as well. So I'm just showing that your favorite people and projects over on Ethereum, yeah, they're branching out as well. Ethereum does have a big mint today. This is that Bjorn Stahl NFT I've been talking about now for for a few weeks at least. Well, his new NFT Immaterial, again, drops today. And finally, guys, this isn't an alpha show, and I'm not really making calls, but I am going to point you towards projects I'm looking at that I'm pretty sure have some good hype. And first off is Crypto Undeads. This is a project that's minting on Solana. I'm hearing a lot of buzz around these guys, and they're looking to really bring in Ethereum traders. Keep your eye on these guys. And then Cyborg Pepentinos using a token standard called CBRC20s. Yeah, a lot of people talking about this Pepe-inspired collection. Right now they're in pre-sale, but that collection, again, Spidey Sense tingling, I think it's a hot one. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you ready to branch out to Solana and Bitcoin and other L2s, or are you actually already there? Guys, happy trading. I hope you have fun out there in this cross-chain NFT world. Tomorrow I'm going to be back with another NFT market update. We'll hit on all the latest happenings. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see you.